Hey everyone, Dylan here from Diamond Spotlight. Today we have James Allen's 14K white gold twisted matching Pavé wedding ring. I purchased this for my fiance. This is the wedding band that she wanted to go along with her solitaire engagement ring. And I wanted to do a video today showing you guys the ring, showing you everything that comes in the box to do an unboxing, and to also see what it looks like next to a couple different styles of engagement rings. Now, I am going to have it next to a falling edge halo engagement ring, as you see here, as well as my fiance's solitaire diamond as well. So this is the link to this specific band on the website. So if you want to reference this exact wedding band that we're looking at in this video, I will have a link to it down in the video description if you guys want to check it out. It does cost $1,250. Now this is the box that it shows up in, very incognito. You'd never know there was a ring in here. You do have to sign for the package when it arrives. When we pull it out of the box, nice little protective sleeve, and then we have the beautiful James Allen box there with the nice little embossed logo there on the top. Now, on the front, we have a little magnetic door with a little cloth pull tab, and when we open that up, that is going to reveal the wedding band there front and center. Now, as always, we get straight to the point on this channel, so let's go ahead and take a look at the ring first. If we go ahead and open this box, as you can see, the traditional red James Allen box, very, very nice presentation. They do a really good job at giving you a quality box here, and you can see the nice twisty Pavé wedding band there. Nice little macro shots. You can see all the little particular details. The diamonds are looking really good, and we're going to go ahead and get this in some outdoor lighting as well, but here you can just see all the little details and how those two bands come together. You can also see the proportions of the diamond to the band. Now, the other things that come in the box, we have a nice little James Allen cleaning cloth here that you can use to clean your ring. Very nice for them to include that. Then we have a little envelope here with all of our paperwork. The paperwork has a quality insurance paper signed by Rosa. Thank you, Rosa. This is going to be your receipt with all of your personal information of how much you paid and all that good stuff. So you'll have that there in the envelope. And then they have a little advertisement deal here for your lifetime warranty there. So very nice for them to include that. So let's go ahead and take a look at this ring outside in some different lighting conditions. Now, this video here was taken outside right around 7 p.m. We have the sun out. We're in the shade. You can see the particular details of the ring, but you get those little sparkles in the diamonds. The lighting performance on the diamonds is pretty good. It looks really, really nice. If we go ahead and take a look at the first pairing of this wedding band with this engagement ring here, this is the most recent engagement ring that we had on the channel. This is James Allen's falling edge halo. It's a double halo around the center stone that's falling outward, and then we have the Pavé band. And pairing these two together, there's a lot of diamonds here. Very sparkly, very bold combination, but it looks absolutely amazing in the sunlight, and there's a lot of little glimmers of light here. Very, very good pairing, and it looks really nice. The kind of theme goes together. However, if we take a look at this pairing, this is a little bit different. We have a solitaire band with a 1.1 carat natural diamond. Really big emphasis on the main center stone of the engagement ring, but then on the wedding band, we have all those little diamonds to complement it. So kind of a little bit more contrast here. This is actually my fiance's engagement ring, and when I asked her why she wanted this pairing, because she picked out this wedding band, she said that she likes the very simplistic solitaire design, but that she feels like the wedding band with that Pavé twisty design really adds to kind of a contrast and looks good together. Now, my fiance also said that she does not plan to get the two rings attached, which is good because the wedding band with this particular solitaire setting won't actually sit flush against the engagement ring band because there's not enough room there. So that's something to keep in mind. Take a look at your engagement ring to see if there's enough room there, if the diamond's lifted up enough to allow the wedding band to sit against it flush. That might dictate sort of the overall look of the pairing of the engagement ring and the wedding ring. But she doesn't plan to get them attached because she says that sometimes she wants to actually just wear the wedding band separate if she doesn't want to take her engagement ring with her. So it gives her an opportunity to wear a ring without having to wear her expensive engagement ring. So I'm very curious what you all think about this wedding band. Please let me know down in the comments. And if you're considering this wedding band, what are you looking to pair it with and what are your overall impressions? I would love to hear what you all think about it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want any other diamond videos, be sure to check out my channel. I got lots of them there on my channel. Good luck on your wedding band shopping, and we'll see you in the next video.